Hey everyone, today I am going to show you a simple tutorial on how to change the oil in your Honda EU3000 inverter generator. Let's jump right in. So first, the things you are going to need is a 10mm end wrench. You can also use a 10mm socket, but I just use the end wrench. You're going to want a little Tupperware container just like this. Short and squatty. It works for the box that we have it in here. And Honda recommends 10W30. We're going to use 5W30 because it's heading into winter where we're at, and it's a lighter weight, easier starts on that. The amount of oil that this specific generator takes is 549 milliliters or 18.5 ounces. To keep that simple, obviously you have a quart here. You've got like 32 ounces. I've done this. I've taken a used up quart, put a little gadget like this on there, and I've